Well, what I said was that we would head for the 3-coil eventually after I showed some other things. And what I've got here is a jig. You see the 2 coils in there. It allows me to move the coils back and forth to adjust the distance between them. And then I have a 3rd coil here, which is going to represent the actual 3-coil series. But what I've put together here is something to demonstrate how the 3-coil will be working, or how it works, however you want to look at it. What I've got back here is the generator going to the input of a 1 ohm resistor. Probe 1 is on generator side. Probe 2 is on coil side. It goes into this coil. This coil goes up to an AV plug that goes to each side of this coil. So we have an anode here and a cathode at the bottom of the coil. What I have here is just a coil with the Cree board. In other words, we got an AV plug into the Cree board, and we've got a coil here with the end hanging out. So what I want to show you is I'm going to go ahead and bring this into resonance, and I have to stick this temporarily in there to do that. Okay, we're in resonance now, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the scope and what's being developed across that 1 ohm resistor by subtracting channel 2 from channel 1. Then I'm going to show you that there's absolutely no drain on the generator whatsoever when I make that switch. So here we have the purple being the math function of channel 1 minus channel 2. And if you look down here, we're on. So I'm going to take you back up to the scope, pull that coil out, and you see if you can see a difference. It's exactly the same. There's absolutely no draw whatsoever on the generator through that 1 ohm resistor to run this Cree board. And the reason that Cree board looks like some are burned out is because we have an alligator clip in the way. Also, you'll note that this coil here that's driving the Cree is 90 degrees offset from this coil here. Now in the next video I'll draw up a little schematic and show it to you, but that shows one thing that I wanted to get across up front, is that the load does not impact the source. Have a good day and thanks for watching.